Hi viewers, welcome to Universal. Thank you for watching. So today's topic is who is coming towards you and why. It's a pick a card reading, so you need to choose one card, whichever you are drawn towards. Better to choose one card because if you choose multiple piles, your messages will be confused. So better to go for one card. So let's get into the reading. Pile number 1, who choose white pile. Who is coming towards you and why? So pile number 1, who is coming towards you is, I think, this person is from your past. You maybe already know this person. Someone is coming from your past. So why they are coming? Here the thing is, this you maybe had some kind of friendship, relationship or situationship with this person. Something happened and you moved on from the situation. Whatever you had in between, you came out of it, you moved on. But this person is unable to move on. This person still stuck in the same position, stuck in the same situation. If at all they are your friend or partner, they are still thinking about those old memories. They are unable to come out of it. Actually, they should move forward. They should leave the past in the past. They should move forward to the future. But this person is not doing that. This person feeling stuck just because they are very much attached to that moments, memories, the days, old days, past days, whatever you spent together, whatever memories you had together. They are actually they don't want to move on from those memories. Actually, if this person move on, they can make more memories with other people, new memories. They can get new memories. But the thing is here, this person don't want to do it. They are very much stuck in the situation. They are very much attached to you. They are very much attached to the past things, the past situation, whether it is friendship, relationship or situationship. They are not at all interested to move on. So this person is coming towards you to bring that relationship or situation, whatever you had, they want to re-establish it because you already moved on. This person is not doing that. So they want to come towards you and they want to re-establish that relationship or friendship, whatever it is there. They want to in a sense reconcile, I can say, but here I cannot say reconcile because you are not interested, I can say, because here you already moved on. You are no more interested in this person, whoever they may be. But this person want to do that. They want to re-establish that relationship, whatever you had in the past. This person, I can say that this person completely living in the past. They are not in the present. They are completely in the past. They stuck in the past. They are not even, if at all today, they should enjoy today, this moment, the moment what they have in their hands. But this person in this moment, current moment also, they are just thinking about you, the situation, the things, whatever you had in between you, the past memories. In that current moment also they are thinking about all those past memories instead of living in the present moment. See, everyone will be having past. Without past, we won't be having present and future. When we go to present, definitely today's present will become tomorrow's past. But here the thing is, once in a while you feel remember about your past, nothing wrong. We will, whenever we sit idle, we will think about all our old memories, the good memories which we spent with our friends, loved ones. It is common. But this person is different. This person not remembering once in a while, they are mentally, I can say. Here thoughts means completely mentally. Their brain is completely, their mind is completely in the past. They are not present in the present. They are not living in the present. So pile number 1, whoever choose this pile, I can say that be careful with this kind of people. They won't do any kind of danger. But the thing is, I can say they need some therapy. Because 6 of Swords means it is mentally occupied, mentally stuck with something which need release. Here this person need that mental release should be happen from the past. So I can say that if at all you know them, if you're still in the contact, ask them to go to therapist. They can help them to come out of this situation, because it is not good for them as well as not good for the people who are around them, because we won't get anything living in the past, because past is past. We cannot change that. What we can do is we should live in the present so that we can do something. We can design our future based on our present and future past experiences. We can design the future. But this person is not understanding that. So I don't think you are in contact, because this kind of people are a little bit difficult to handle. So anyway, if in any way, if you can suggest them, just suggest them to go to therapist. It is very much needed to them, because they need to come out of this stuck position, stuck in the past. It is like, if at all they are not coming out of it, slowly they will get into depression. It will cause them depression and some mental health issues, mental illnesses, which is not good for them. That's why I'm telling you, whoever they are, if you are unable to contact them directly, if you have any common friends, ask them to take their help and tell this person to contact therapist. It is very much important for this person. Now they are going through some past memories, but if at all it is continued for some more time, they will end up in very bad position mentally. It is not good for them. So pile number 1, who is coming towards you is your past person. Now you need to understand whether they are your friend or partner, but you have so many memories with this person. That's why they are unable to come out of these memories, this past. So what I can suggest you is, if they come also, don't entertain this person, because I can seriously tell that you cannot help them. Only therapists can help them. Psychiatrists, therapists can help them. They need counseling to come out of this past. If you want to help them personally, I don't think you can do it, because they will drag you into that past. It will affect your life. If you think that you can help them to come out of this past, you cannot help, because they are dealing with your memories. So if at all you involved in this situation again with them, they will drag you into their past. They won't come to your future, your present. They will drag you into their past, which will affect your life. So think about it. better you don't entertain this person, I can say. Just suggest them to go to therapist. That is a good thing to do. That is how you can help them, or else they will drag you into that past. Let's move on to pile number 2, who choose yellow pile. Who is coming towards you and why? So pile number 2, who is coming towards you? You are going to meet your twin flame. This is a Lover's card. So your twin flame is coming towards you. Whether you know it or not, they know it or not, you both are coming into the union. Actually, when Lover's card come, it is already established a relationship in the 5D. But in the 3D, you maybe know, you may not know. So finally, you people are coming into union here. You are going to meet your soulmate or twin flame. This is not soulmate. When the Lovers is, it is a completely twin flame union. Because there will be a lot of stuff to handle. You may be having great protection from the divine, but you need to handle so much stuff to make this relationship in the 3D. Because in the 5D it is already established, existed. But when you are establishing this relation in the 3D, it is very difficult. You need to face so many obstacles and difficulties. So here your twin flame is coming towards you. Who is already having some soul connection with you. Sometimes you don't know that. When they are come into your life, you don't know that they are your twin flame. But you will feel some kind of connection with them. Some kind of attraction, connection. You cannot define what kind of attraction, but slowly you will come to know that they are your something, like twin flame. If the purpose why you met, everything will be revealed, but slowly, not at a time. One step at a time, I can say. Because this kind of unions take time to come into union in 3D. Because in the 3D, people won't accept these relationships, first thing. Because twin flame means something different. It is a very, very different. There will be huge difference between people, whether religious different, whether status difference, or then maybe you people belongs to LGBTQ community, which is not accepted by society norms very easily. Because of that, it will take time to come into union. But it will come finally. You people will be in union, but it will take time. You need to go through some difficulties. You need to face some obstacles. In that obstacles, universe will teach you how to handle each other emotions. Because here when you meet this person, they are not like you. You both will feel difference. Like you both will be like head and tail of one coin. So it is quite polar opposite. In the initially, in the starting, you feel like polar opposite. So in between you, first you need to clear so many things. Slowly when you get close, then you will understand you both are same inside. In the outside, external side, you feel like you both are polar opposite, but in the internally you both will be same, you both like same things, you both will be having same interest, you both think in the same way. That's why universe give you some purpose which you both should be, which is done by you people. So here pile number 2, whoever choose this, don't get excited that you are going to meet in flame, because here the real story will start. Because I said no, you need to face so many problems, obstacles. If you already done your inner work, you won't be feel any kind of obstacles. It will be there, but you won't feel, because you done your inner work. If you are completed your inner work, those obstacles won't be obstacle to you, because you know how to handle the things, how to handle the situations, how to handle the people. But if at all you are not done any kind of inner work, it is very, very, very difficult time for you, because this union will teach you how to do your inner work. In this union, you must and should do your inner work. If you complete your inner work, then only you will come into union, or else you cannot. Until unless you both should do that inner work. If one is also not done, one is completed also, that separation will be there. That separation is very painful. So anyway, now you both are coming together, no matter in which way you are coming, whether work purpose or some friendship wise, business as a business partners. But anyway, in the 3D, you both are coming together. So, pile number 2, be careful. I can say that prepare yourself. If you are watching this reading, whoever coming in your way and you are thinking about that person is quite opposite to you, and if you are feeling some kind of irritation with that person, who is trigger you a lot, I can say. If at all, if you really did not done any inner work, they will trigger you a lot. So it is very important for you to do your inner work. So prepare yourself for the good days and bad days, for everything, adventures. So let's move on to pile number 3, who choose red pile. Who is coming towards you and why? So pile number 3. Who is coming towards you? I don't know why this person is coming towards you. Because I think who is coming towards you is, in the past you left them in the cold. You left them in the cold. You did not treat them well. You did not recognize their worth. This person is coming, these people, it is not one person. There are people who are not treated well in the past, and here I am sensing that is happened by you. You did not treated them well. Here clearly I am getting this message. So pile number 3, don't get triggered, because sometimes knowingly or unknowingly we ignore people. Wantedly we won't do, but sometimes it happens. That situations will make us to do such kind of things. So here I don't know what they did to you, but you left them in the cold. They very much depended on you. They expected more from you, but you did not give what they deserve, I can say. Because this 5 of Pentacles means simply Someone disrespected them, ignored them, left out in the cold, made them feel like orphans. Don't know who they are. You need to understand now. These people are coming towards you. This is not one person. Here it is simply, if at all you are a married person and you have spouse and kids. In the past you maybe not treated them well. You left them in the cold. These people are coming into your life again. But the thing is, here good news is, they came out of that cold, I can say. Here it is good news for you, it is not for them, because as a person I never entertain this kind of people again in my life. Whatever you did to them, if at all anyone did to me, I never entertain them again in my life. But these people are still, they are trusting you, or why they are coming, that I don't know now. But these people are still want to be in your life. Maybe they have their own reasons. Because these people is, in the past they may be dependent on you. They may be dependent on you, and they thought you will be there for them no matter what happened. But the thing is, you left them in the cold. You treated them badly, or you did not supported them financially. They felt like they are like orphans. They don't have anyone, which is really very, very bad situation. 5 of Pentacles is a very bad card. We should never treat someone like this. And you did to them, knowingly or unknowingly. That's why I'm telling, don't get triggered. If you did them knowingly, you should be very shameful. You should feel shameful for doing that. If you did it unknowingly, I think maybe universe is giving one more chance to correct your mistakes. Because seriously, if at all it happened to me, I never entertain such kind of people in my life. But these people are coming towards you because they are not feeling left out in the cold. Anyway, they came out of that situation. Maybe they felt very bad. They may be in the very bad situation where they did not have any kind of money, any kind of support. But finally they came out of that position. And after coming out this position, they should look for their future. But they are coming again into your life. It will happen only in the relationship matters. Because when your spouse and kids will be there, it is natural. People will tell that, okay, whatever happened, finally you came out of it, to better to go and live with the same person. It happens in the relationship especially. So they may be your wife, spouse and kids, I can say. Like, it is not that wife, because here it is not gender. It may be your spouse, whether it is husband or wife. Okay. In the past, you left them in the cold. You did not treat them well. You financially did not help them. Finally, they came out of that position. It's a very good news for them. They finally came out of whatever situation they had in the past. It is a very painful situation. But still, they came out of it. Maybe people will help them. Because 5 of Pentacles is, they feel lonely, they feel orphan, they feel helpless, hopeless. But surrounding people will be there to help them. So, they may find someone and they got that help and came out of that help, came out of the situation having that help. But these people are coming into your life. Now I cannot say why they are coming. I don't want to scare you also because when you left them in the cold, they are coming into your life again means there will be so many reasons. Because someone went from your life and they are coming in your life second time, things won't be in the same way. No matter who they are. Second time things won't be in the same way. So here, why they are coming, I cannot explain. Here, who are coming, I told you, but I don't think I can tell you why they are coming, because I don't want to disturb the things, I can say, because here universe has some plan, because they never entertain this kind of people. Don't get triggered again. Whatever they had, it is a very bad things, but still universe is sending them towards you, means there may be something, whether you need to learn some lessons or still they need to learn some lessons, either or else why they will come to you. They should learn the lessons in the situation, whatever they had in the past. That situation will teach them so many lessons. I think they already learned it. No one will come out of bad situation without learning anything. Definitely we will learn something in that situation. So I think these people learn something, but still they are coming towards you, means this time maybe they need to teach you something, or there is still something is there which they need to learn from you. So that's why I don't want to tell why they are coming completely. Anyway, pile number 3. At least if you really, they are your family, you treated them bad in the past, still they are coming into your life. This time don't misuse your chance. Maybe universe giving you chance to prove yourself this time. Okay, treating well, by treating them well, by giving that importance. They deserve love, they deserve that happiness. They don't deserve these painful situations. They don't deserve feeling left in the cold. You made them to feel like that. So maybe universe is giving one more chance to prove yourself. At least do something good for them. Take care of them well. Learn something. So let's move on to pile number 4. Who choose green pile? Who is coming towards you and why? So pile number 4. So Page of Swords is coming towards you. Very immature person, who is very energetic, who is very active, very communicative, who have so much energy to do something, take action, do the things. But the thing is, this person is still a page. That means a kid, immature. This person need to be more mature, So Page of Swords. Now here it is also one more thing, some new person is coming into your life. Pile number 4. You don't know this person. This person is new to you. Some new person is coming into your life and they want to do some project with you. Here Page of Swords is like communicate with you regarding project, work wise, I can say. Here there is no cups, no emotions. Simply they have something in their mind. They may be having some plans, ideas. So they want to share with you. They want to do some projects with you. But the thing is here, this person is very new to you. They may be stranger. They know you, maybe you don't know them. They know about you, I think. That's why they are coming towards you. They have some plans, I can say. They have some plans regarding work related mostly. They want to start something new. It is even friendship also, because which is mostly communication. They want to communicate with you. They want to have that communication regarding your work, regarding your life, whatever. They want to have that communication with you. So this is a whole completely new person, I can say. And this is not a past person. So why they are coming is like, as I said, they want to start something with you. they maybe want to, first thing they want to have friendship with you because they want to communicate to you. So for communicating you need to establish that bond first. So for that you need that friendship. So they want to make that friendship, they want to start something new, they want to begin something with you. But here what I can suggest you is, this person is still immature. This person is page of swords. Whatever they tell, don't trust everything, because they are very good communicator. They won't manipulate, their intentions will be good only. But the thing is, whatever they promise, they won't deliver it. They fail to deliver that. Because page means like, see, when you meet some teenager or young guy who is entering in their young age, early young age, they will speak a lot. They will tell so many things. They want to achieve so many things. They want to do so many things. But in the actual, they can't do all those things. That's why they cannot fulfill all the promises what they promise you. If you are a mature person, you can handle them, because if you are mature, you know how to handle younger people. If you are in the same age, I think you need to be very careful. Whatever they are telling, you should be very careful. Don't trust everything whatever they are telling, because they are very much immature. They just want, they know how to start the things, but they don't know how to complete the things. I think you got my point. This page will know how to start the things. They are very much eager to start the things, because they will show that energy, they will show that activeness, they will show that strength. But once they started, they don't know how to complete it, because for completing something you need some maturity. Without having experience, you don't know how to complete the things. You can start, anyone can start anything, but to complete that, we should need some experience, we should need that maturity, we should need that courage. But this person is page, so you cannot expect all those things from this person. This person is very little kid, he is still immature. No matter how age they may be, I think they are young only, because Page of Swords is like, I think young person only. Maybe file number 4, some young person is coming into your life. Just, I don't think you will get any kind of problems with them, but the thing is, they won't be, that's what, they cannot keep their promises, so deal with them carefully, I can say. Because they are kids, we know how to deal with teenagers, how to deal with the young guys, okay, young people who is in 20s. 18, that teenage and young people, they are little bit different, so we should be very careful with them when we are dealing with them. So here you should be very careful with them. Their energy will be very good, because they are still young, that energy will be there, but they don't know how to complete the things whatever they start. If at all in the relationship also, if they start the relationship also, they will start with the activeness, with that energy, with that passion, but they don't know how to get that relationship in stability. They don't know how to get that stability. If they start any kind of work project also, initially they will be having very good, great plans, and they want to do it immediately. They show that interest. But once they started the project, there will be so many things, because we will be having some process to complete something. When we are doing something, to complete something, we will be having some process. So these people don't have the experience about that process. These people won't have that knowledge about that process, because they need, everyone, whatever you start, you should know thoroughly what will happen in the process, so how to handle them. These people lack that knowledge. Page, that the teenagers, young age people, they lack that knowledge. Because of that, they don't know how to complete the things. So here I cannot say they are dangerous to you, but the thing is you should be very careful because you cannot trust them completely. If at all you want to do some kind of project with them, they are very good to have because they will be having some young energy, that young blood, so they will be very energetic. They won't be lazy like 30 plus 40 plus people. They will show that interest to do the things, learn something, because their age will support them. It is good to have them in the team, but the thing is you cannot trust them completely. You should be very careful. So look who is coming. I can say this is a very new person, young person, but you should be very careful while dealing with them. If you use them correctly, you will get a lot of benefit with them. Even they will learn a lot of things from you. If you don't know how to handle them, you will be get into risk. You will face a lot of problems. That is a problem with our teenagers and young people. That's why most of our politicians use them, misuse them. Not use them, mostly they misuse them. Because these people don't know what is happening. They have that blood and they will just go for it. They don't know what is happening. So let's move on to pile number 5. Who chose blue pile? So who is coming towards you and why? So pile number 5. Who is coming towards you? I really wondering why this person is coming towards you, because it is a 9 of Wands. This person is very guarded person. They don't they are very guarded. They don't trust anyone. They don't trust anyone easily. Not easily. Mostly they don't entertain anyone in their life easily. But why they are coming towards you is different thing now. So this person is coming towards you. Either they may be new person or they may be, I don't think they are past person, because this person is still guarded. They are coming towards you, but they are still guarded. They are coming with a lot of protection, I can see. They are protecting themselves. They are not going to enter you in their boundaries easily. They are very much guarded person. Means they will set a lot of boundaries to the people. They won't entertain everyone in their life easily. But this person is coming into your life. This person is new person to you, I can say, purely, because when we know someone, they won't be this much guarded towards us. So completely this person is still, they are coming towards you, still they are guarded. Still they are very much protected of themselves. So this person is coming. So why they are coming is, here I can say that they have gone through a lot in their life. Their life was not easy. Whatever they achieved in their life, they did a lot of hard work. With their hard work, they achieved it. It is like their life is like a battle to them. That's why they become like a warrior. Still they are ready to fight any kind of battles in their life. They are ready to face any kind of battles in their life. And that is also one reason why this person became very much guarded, because they had so many battles. Their life itself has some kind of war. So they cannot trust everyone. They became warrior in their life. With their experiences, they became like a warrior. So as we know that we don't trust anyone. As warriors also, they don't trust anyone. So this person is still don't know the current situation of their life, but they still like a warrior. They don't entertain anyone easily in their life. they still guarded towards themselves, towards their life. They don't allow people to know about them much. They will reveal themselves very little. If they reveal whatever they will reveal information about them, it is very little information. They cannot give, they won't give full information about them. They won't allow people, that's it. You don't know them. They won't let you to know them completely. But this person is coming towards you means they may be having some, you may be helpful to them in some matters, because there is a simple thing, when someone is like a warrior position, they won't go to anyone until unless they need some kind of help. So one way or other way, pile number 5, you may be the person who can help them in any kind of situation, whatever they are in. So they maybe need some help from you. That's why this person is not from your past, but you maybe know them like acquaintance. So you don't know them fully, completely. They don't, I don't know that they know you or they don't know you, but they know something that you can help them. Maybe they have that trust, I can say. Maybe they have that feeling that you can help them, because this kind of people don't believe in anyone. They don't trust anyone. That's why they are very much guarded. If anything comes in their life, they can handle alone. They are like a lone wolf. They can handle alone. They don't need people to come and help them. They don't depend on anyone. These people are very much, they did a lot of struggle in their life. Their life itself is a struggle, like a struggle. Their life itself is like a struggle. So here I cannot reveal completely why they are coming, because as I said, they are guarded, so they cannot reveal anything to me also. Okay, even though I am a tarot reader, they are a secretive person, that's it. They won't reveal their life to anyone. So this card also I cannot see why they are coming towards you because they are very much guarded. See, if at all I want to try also, all these wands will be there. Nothing, I cannot see anything except these wands. It is like one gate. I need to enter into that gate to find out what is there. But this person won't allow me to enter in that gate. So, pile number 5, you no need to worry, because this kind of people won't harm anyone. They won't be having any kind of bad intentions, because their life itself is a struggle. So they know how the life will be. So they know how to treat the people. Until unless you give them a reason, they won't hurt you. Okay? So you no need to worry much about this person. If they are coming, let them come, because they may be having some thing to deal with you, or they need, here I am sensing that maybe they need your help. Here simply. Maybe they need your help. You may be helpful to this person one way or other way. That's why they are coming towards you. So if you can help them, you can. If you think that you can help that person, if they approach you, you can help, you can trust them, because these people are trustworthy. They are not like any bad intentions are use and throw kind of people, because they know how the life was, how hard the life is, so they will understand others also. So, but the thing is simply, you, if at all you try to do something wrong, or you try to take advantage of them, so don't expect something good from them. Okay, they know how to handle people. So until unless you don't give them a reason, you will be safe with this person. So if at all they are anyway they are coming towards you, means definitely they will approach you. You can, if you think that whatever they are asking you can do, you are in a position to do that, you can do it, you can accept that. Whatever offering they are offering, whatever plan they have. Here I am sensing maybe they need your help. So if you think that you can help them, you can help them. You can do that favor to them. They are a very good person, no need to worry. So thank you for watching. For more readings, you can like and subscribe. For personal readings, you can mail me. You will find the details in description box.